So we begin kneeling inside of the hammock. There's a big sheet of hammock behind you. At the same time, a small little pocket in the front for you to place your foot into. Reach the arms up towards the ceiling. Grab onto the back edge of the hammock on both sides. Then slide the hands down as you open the arms up, like you're creating little wings. Press down into the knees, lift yourself up, keep the arms out long to the sides. Ground into the right knee, lift the left leg up, and place the top side of your foot into the fabric with a pointed left foot. If it doesn't feel good for you, you can do this with the ball of your left foot in it, or you can do it with your left foot flat. It will make it a little bit trickier for the back bend, and it does put a bit of extra pressure on your fabric. If you do it with the ball of your foot or flexed foot, make sure that you cut your nails so you don't cut your hammock with your toenails. Ooh. Press your chest up towards the ceiling, lean backwards, and shoulders go into the hammock. And straighten the left leg, pelvis up to the ceiling. Bend the right knee, lift your right leg up, roll yourself over. Right foot will hover really close to the ground. Then bring your right knee back in, straighten the left leg, point through the left toes. Bring your right foot back into the fabric, close to your bum. Bend the left knee with the arms lift up, pelvis forward. And you can sit your hips back down onto your heels. Seated into the hammock, feet are inside. There's a bit of hammock behind you, and fabric is in front. Reach up towards the ceiling, grab onto the edges of the fabric, and extend the arms out wide to the side. Press down into the knees, lift your hips up, bend your left knee. Point your left toes into the fabric, and balance on only your right knee. Lean backwards, press your pelvis forward, slowly shoulders come into the fabric. Straighten the left leg, hip up, bend your right knee to the chest. Bend the left knee, roll yourself over, hover the right toes toward the ground. Notice the shoulders are inside of the fabric. There is a little bit of pressure on the neck. The less fabric that you have on the neck, the less pressure. It's a good release. Come back, extend through the left leg, point the toes into the fabric. Press the pelvis up. Press firmly with your hands to stabilize and keep it slow. Right toes toward the fabric, pelvis stays up. Bend the left knee, bend your right knee. Lift yourself up.